The Fisher Duo Blade is the self-drilling plasterboard plug for fast and easy installation. As another product from the Fisher Duo line, the Duo Blade offers more ease of installation thanks to its more component technology. Its self-drilling tip with 3 sharp cutting blades ensures a clean and effective drilling process. The centering tip allows easy and precise setting of the plug. During assembly, the screw pushes the drill tip forward so that it breaks off at the set point. This enables minimum component thickness and easy screw guidance. The self-cutting thread offers optimum form lock. Its innovative geometry generates less suspense in the thread body and protects the building material. The anti-rotation locks prevent the plug from spinning in the drill hole. The additional expansion ensures higher load values. For easy mounting of loads in plasterboard, the Fisher Duo Blade.